kong magtutulungan. Higmabayat kakayan nung saub-saub. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, we would like to thank everyone for gracing this momentous event. Maraming salamat po, of course, for taking some of your precious time to join us for this occasion. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Alex, and it's my pleasure to be the Master of Ceremonies on today's program. Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, guests, it is my distinct honor and high privilege to introduce our honorable guests. Ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause to Honorable Board Member Rosie Hanson. Thank you so much. Alright, next in line, of course, ang napakasipag po at napakaganda, kitang-kita naman po, Honorable Barangay Chairwoman Vilma Kaliwa. Thank you so much for joining us despite of your busy schedules. Maraming salamat po at napagbigyan nyo ang Kapampangan Ko Pag Maragul Ko. Kapampangan Ko Pag Maragul Ko is fully committed to the principle of honesty, integrity, and fair play in the delivery of service to the public. And their main objective is to unite the Kapampangan people. It was a little more than 9 years ago when we witnessed how the KKPK was established. To give us the opening remarks, ladies and gentlemen, let us put your hands together for our beloved founder. How about a big round of applause for Mr. Jeffrey Pior.
Mayang pagkatpanapan po, pagkatpanapan po, sir. Ay abak. Kayan jam, kayan jam, parang kingawag sa ring KKPK. Meron akong OFW ka sa Saudi, more than 10 years. Oling medyo malungkot. Ering aliwa, mag-chicks, no? May nga ako, di ba yung naisip ko eh. Naisip ko makasaw. Uling, siyempre, yung sweldo, medyo mata siya ka na, ni-share nga naman ka rin aliwa. Kaya, may tinipong ko rin aliwa kamampanting abroad. Igit kayong metong kaya kay Brad ko, Joey. Iyang sabi ako na gawa kaming grupo, saka malanap kayo makasaw. After na dito, sabi-sabi mag-conducting dental mission, mag-ipag-tie up kami pa partnership in Kuagua. Kaya ito yung minun naming gewang proyekto. Hanggang kayong may labas bidagdag. After 3 years, naisip ko na iparehistro ay kayong Security Exchange Commission. Anyang may rehistro na kayong SEC, may tuloy-tuloy lalo yung kaya naming proyekto. Iba, anyang paglalagay ka na may consultant referent also kanya, yung last 2019, na kailangan na ipa-accredited king Capitolio, king Sangguniang Panlalawigan. King awa rin Diyos, may accredit naman. Yan may tuloy, may parehistro naman king DSWD para king registration bilang Social Security Welfare and Development Agency o SWDA private. Kaya ako rin nabalo kasi dati mapag-post kaming manya donasyon na alamang permit. Yan pala bawal to. Pasikin ng Presidential Decree 1564 Amended Act 4075. Hanggang organisasyon, corporation, individual, kailangan lang umang permit ng DSWD. May file kami po, regional, pero inapproval na, national. Kaya makapag-solicita mo, buong Pilipinas. O ito sana, isang sa tamo, anabigin kaya. Ing tema tamo, ing mabayad kakayan, itong disawsaw. Pagkami sa tam, dahil asawan ka rin kabalang tam. Dahil salamat.
Alright, what a great achievement I must say. Naku, napaka-rare po ng mga organization na binibiyayaan kung baga nagkakaroon ng ganong opportunity. Naku, matindihang mga paperworks at the same time. Congratulations, PK, of course. Organization is born when more than one person coordinates to execute a work. People helping one another in work constitute an organization. Ladies and gentlemen, for this time, I would like to call in the KKPK Vice President for a short message. Let us put your hands together for Mr. Aris Escoto.
Good morning po, kaya tamuan. Salamat po ka rin ka member ni official ka rin kaya kami bisita ipamagtago niyo po kaya kami ginagawa. Short kayo mo simula niyang making part ng kuning KKPK siya dyan. Kini ko kinawang kaluguran. Imagine niyo po, rin membro kini, ela talaga may kilala na mo through Facebook po. Ang gaging pamanukinugi ko po karela, may napit pong itang pusong mapanyaw, kaya lalo ko pong may kabe karela. Ating kapag subukan na agyo naman nalampasan, importante itang mo na makasaw at the same time nakatamo maging kalumuran yung buong Pampanga. Kaya ako pasalamat ko pong maragul king KKPK at naging part na ako po ng organisasyon na ini. Lalo na po ngayon basta-basta at yuta na po king legalization. Sana ita pong suporta rin kaya katamong member, rin kaya katamong opisyal, rin kaya katamong bisita. Takalpong takala salamat. Sana ingkikipigay manatili hanggang agyuning suportan o sopan ng buong Pampanga. Ya po ing imning kikipigay ito. Nang magsimula yung maging friendship, yung barkada, gaging makasaw ng makasaw. Takal po takal salamat. Ala na po takal sabihan. Salamat po.
Thank you so much, Vice President Escoto. Napakaseryoso naman nila. Parang first time ko kayo nakita ganito kaseryoso. Isang masikawang palakpakan ko muna, of course, sa our founder and of course, Vice President. Napaka-formal. As I've said earlier po, the main objective of Kapampangan Upag Marugulgo is to unite, of course, the Kapampangan people. Napakaganda po ng inyong objective. Me, myself, kudos po sa inyong grupo. Kapampangan Upag Marugulgo is an organization who provides agricultural and environmental services to ensure the equitable transformation of our society. And to share his uncanny knowledge, we have with us, of course, the very, I must say, resilient and agile KKPK consultant who graduated at Ateneo de Manila University and the owner and manager at ASS Documentation Services and the founder of Dios ang Patnubay. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round. Very well said po. Maraming salamat po. Anyway, Honorable Dima, baka po pwedeng kahit maikling message na lang po siguro. Kahit bago po kayo malis, ako na lang po lalapit.
Congratulations po sa inyo at masaya po ako at natutuwa na imbitahan niyo po ako dito at nakakagala ako na merong isang kagaya ninyo na nagmamalasakit sa ating komunidad. Sana dumami pa po kayo at nang marami pa po kayo na tulungan. Maraming salamat po. Nakakawag na po ako.
Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin ulit. Honorable Dilma Kaliwag, thank you so much for sparing some of your precious time po. Thank you po. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, with great pride and honor, of course, I'm going to introduce our honorable guest for an inspirational message. Palakpakan po natin, ladies and gentlemen, natin pong patagalin. Honorable Board Member, Rosby Henson.
Thank you so much, Miss Alex. Napakagaling yung mag-MC. I think this is not the first time I saw you moderating program. And brother is doing good. Palapakan po natin si Makala. Sa ating KKPK founder, Jet Li Chongko. Palapakan tayo po. Nagsalita mo naman ng Denaris Escoto, Vice President, Indio Officer Freddy Serrano, yung President. Of course, ang napaka-inspiring Reverend Pastor Alfonso Soqueña. Nakumpleto na po yung linggo ko, yung pagsisimba ko. Sa inyo po lahat, of course, it's unfortunate our co-guest, ABC President and Barangay Captain of Dolores, Mike Umare, Bill Macaluag, Lupego, meron po siguro siyang ibang appointment. So, kaya kayo man po, good morning. Bayo ko po magsalita, detang mabibilad, sali lang kayo. Mas makaba ko pong magsalita kaysa akong pastor. Kapampangan po pag maragul ko. Inervisan ko po natin kasi kaya katamong magaling ang MC, mag-English ang tambing at nagaling kay English. Nakasanting addiction, nakasanting accent. Kay ba't, pastor, may nagalog yan.